How to convert MP4 to MP3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an MP4 file to an MP3 file for free using VLC Media Player. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so VLC is free open source software, and depending on your platform, you may need to go to videoland.org to download it from their official website. But if you're on a Windows computer, it's actually available in the Microsoft Store for free, and we can install it from there by simply going down into the Task Manager, selecting the Windows Start button, typing Store, selecting Microsoft Store, then in the search bar, type VLC. You'll see VLC come up, select that, and then just select install. If it comes up and says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, select yes so that the app can be installed. Once you see installed here, go back to the Windows Start button, select it, and then you should see VLC here. If you don't, just type VLC and then select VLC Media Player. Now that VLC Media Player is open up, to convert an MP4 to an MP3, simply select Media in the top left, then go down and select Convert/Save. Now select Add. We just need to find the MP4 file that we want to convert to an MP3. So find it, select it, and you want it to show up in this list here. After that, select Convert/Save. And then with the profile here, we just want to make sure that MP3 is selected. So you may need to go through the list until you find audio-MP3, make sure it's selected, and then select Browse. So now we just need to tell VLC what we want the name of our MP3 to be, and I'm just going to name it Test MP3 File, and then select Save. From there, select Start, and that will convert that file to an MP3. You'll see it going in the progress bar. If it comes up and says output file already exists, this means that it's completed. So if we open up the folder where we told VLC to save our MP3, you'll see it right there, and you can open it up and it'll start playing. And that's how you convert an MP4 to an MP3. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.